Hey, okay. We're living young, we live free, we live a while and we're supposed to be.
Thank you! I feel special, y'all.
Hands up, I wanna touch the clouds. This is 30. All right, y'all. I'm about to be out until we do something later. All right, y'all. Out here, finna do hike Kennesaw Mountain. Supposed to be meeting them. I don't know where they at. But we'll see how this goes. I'm already sweating, and I ain't even done that yet. Ooh, Lord. Let's get it though. We've been definitely late then. Look at this. Let's see if I still look this way at the end, y'all. We shall see. Look, speaking into existence, I'm there with you. I'm sweating, y'all. We ain't been doing it but I don't think we got the 5 minutes. Not yet.
But I think it's like $600 a month.
Is this similar to Stone Mountain? Not really.
I've never walked it. Maybe 3, 4. That was something I wanted to do too.
And I think they were waiving like the sign-up fee or something.
That could have been something like that. I would only do that after if I committed to doing it a bunch of times. And then parking fee. Now what I love to
At work,
play,
they have a
stay active, is pickleball.
what do you call it?
Play pickleball.
Like a little group that goes.
So much about it.
But I never go because I don't know what it's like. But
And
after
if
doing
you're
this,
in
I might go.
Kennesaw, we play at the Kennesaw Rec Center.
All right, y'all. We are at the top. Look at this. Well, you can't really see it now, but it's coming. When we get to the top. So, we shall see. Got my fan. Still sweating like a mug. Y'all see me? There we go. How you doing? All right. Let's get it. I'll put y'all up till we get to the top. All right, y'all. We made it to the top. I think there's some stairs to go up right there. We'll see if I can do that. At this rate, I may be able to. I may. Ooh, that was good though. Got a good little sweat on. Let's look at this. Oh man. Dang it. I was ready too. It looks like LA. You know how they be having that smog over the city?
Hollywood fine.
Oh.
Girl, it's for your YouTube.
Yeah.
Get in there. Hey. Hey, Amanda's YouTube. Hey.
Say what's up.
Y'all like,
Nope.
comment, and subscribe.
Please tell them. Tell them what to do. I love it. This is pretty. Oh, dang. Stone Mountain. That's my neck of the woods. Ooh, y'all. YouTube. All right, y'all. That was so nice. I enjoyed myself. My shins hurt, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself. And now we're gonna go to Flying Biscuit to eat. I'm glad I met these group of women. They are really nice. I'm moving if you want a parking spot. Oh, well, I was trying to help him out. Oh, he about to get one. Look at me being extra, all in somebody's business. You want a spot? No, you're not parking? Okay. All right, y'all, let me get my life together. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? All right, y'all, I'm trying to be hyped, but I literally just woke up from my nap. Literally just woke up. Like, I've been asleep for like 4 hours. That mountain kicked my butt, to say the least. Kicked it. Like, I'm talking about, drop kicked me, and so, ooh, my body is hurting. Like my arms hurt, my legs and my calves, my abs, just from walking up a mountain. Like I ain't run up the mountain. I ain't do no crunches while going up the mountain. I'm in pain from walking up a mountain, y'all. Like I said, I can see it in my face that I'm losing weight. So I'm excited. Like, I'm gonna eat me a sandwich. I'm gonna eat me a turkey sandwich. I should have got me some veggie chips, but I didn't. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning. And that's it. I'm probably gonna watch YouTube. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm watching. Watching Chelsea. She just uploaded a new video. So I'm watching her. I'm gonna try to fall asleep because I'm already sleepy. I got up at like 6:30 this morning, and then we went hiking. Then we ate. Then we kind of went to Plato's Closet. I didn't record the Plato's Closet part, but y'all, struggling, sleepy. But I'm fit to get me a sandwich, and I'm fit to watch me some YouTube, and I'm probably gonna drink me some wine. I'm gonna chill. We're supposed to be getting sushi tomorrow, so I'll take y'all with me tomorrow if we eat sushi. And then Wednesday we're supposed to do something Wednesday, but I don't know if we're gonna do it or not. But if we do, of course y'all are coming with me. Good morning, good morning. Is it right to say up today? Good morning to you. Okay, y'all, finna get dressed. Cause we are going to the Battery in Atlanta. I've never been. I don't know what it is. So I don't even know how to dress. I'm gonna figure it out, I guess. But I'm about to eat, so I'm about to make me some oatmeal. I might not do oatmeal. I might do a smoothie, a protein smoothie. Moment of truth. Y'all, this good. With the granola, baby, the granola, the honey, the strawberries, the yogurt, the almond milk. Okay, y'all feel like a real, like, good, healthy food. It's good. I'm finna get dressed. I showered last night, so I'm gonna do a little wash up. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna head there because it'll take me about 30 minutes. And I need to stop and get some more Freon because my AC line is leaking. So I'm probably gonna end up going to AutoZone. Y'all, I just woke up. It's like 10:40. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. I only got an hour, so let me hurry up. Let's see if I can find my group of people. I don't know where they at, but I'm about to see. I really wanna stay. Oh, it's hot. The one thing about the summer, I hate the heat. I don't know where I'm going. I'm about to figure it out. Hopefully my lash ain't still. Okay. Can't see my necklace again. But let me see if I can find my group of people. And I'll cut the camera back over when I do. Y'all, my wig is just wiggy today. It is what it is. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's great to wake up today. Good morning to you. Starting my day off with 220 calories of oatmeal. So, starting off the day with 220 calories, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to the gym. Supposed to be gonna go watch some fireworks later on, but if it's gonna keep raining on and off today, I'm gonna just stay home and watch some fireworks on TV. But yeah, that's it. I didn't do nothing yesterday. What did I do yesterday? Oh yeah, I did do something yesterday. Yesterday we went to lunch and that was it. I got up, went to lunch with them. Everybody was kind of tired, so we just left, came home, took a nap, watched the Sex and the City on HBO Max. So, that was it. Went to sleep and now I'm up and about to start my day. Alright, y'all, I had to put my robe on because it's a little cold in here. But I didn't go to the gym because I didn't feel like it. So I'm about to make me some tuna. I'm about to boil some eggs and then drain the tuna off and I'll make me a tuna sandwich. So the calories for today, for that, 2 of these is 90. Got these 2. And then I'm going to do 3 eggs. Ooh, my head itching. I'm gonna do 3 eggs with it. So 3 boiled eggs, and then I'm gonna do the whole wheat grain bread and like a tablespoon of butter. I mean, not butter, Lord Jesus. A tablespoon of mayonnaise. So I don't have too much mayonnaise because, you know, mayonnaise is fatty. But it'll balance out because nothing else has fat in it that I'm eating. So if I put a little extra mayonnaise on there, that'll be 200 calories if I put a tablespoon on each slice of bread. So I'll only be eating like 110, 200, 90, so that's 400 calories. And then the bread, like 540 calories. And then this morning I only ate 220. So for the day, I will be at 220. What I just said. Y'all look, I'll put the little addition right here. It'll be here of what my calorie count for the day is. Y'all, that is funny as heck. Oh my goodness. And then I got me some Terramana that I'm drinking. So I don't even know how many calories that is. But let me see. They don't even say on these bottles how much calories is in wine and stuff, but if I'm only at like 500 something or 700 for the day, it ain't bad. You know what I mean? It's 230. I'm only gonna be at like 700 calories. So plus I didn't do nothing today, so that would kind of help. But anyway, let me see what they're doing in this group chat. They're saying that they had Marietta Square or something. And I don't know what that is, and I don't know how far it is from me. And I don't want to go out there, they're not doing nothing. So, that's another thing. If y'all ain't doing nothing, I ain't going. Alright y'all, what's up? So, I'm drying my wig, as you can see. Trying to hurry up and dry it. And then I'm trying to record a TikTok video. But I'm trying to wait for my wig to dry so that I can do it, because you see I got a little setup right there. So I can show y'all my dress, I guess. So this the dress. Kind of cute. I don't know if I look grandma-ish or not. This is my arms for me. Look at all this fat. Look at all that fat. Ooh. Anyway, this is the dress. My toes are not done, so it's a blessing that this dress is long enough. Oh my God, I forgot. Oh my God, that fast. Oh yeah. And then if y'all want, y'all can check it out on my TikTok. But if I do like a light makeup, no makeup look with my Makeup Forever like corrector, I'm using, I dropped it. The Nicka K concealer, and I think this is in sepia. What color is this? Yes, in sepia. Can y'all see that? But that's what it is, Nicka K New York HD concealer in sepia. And then I'm gonna put my powder all over my face. My Laura Mercier, I know what that is. And I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses 24-hour long lasting. It says temperature control, so hopefully that's true. We gonna see. Because I got this from Beauty Supply Store, it's like $7 something. So that's gonna be my makeup for today. And then I'm wearing these big ass lashes. They big as fuck. I look like the little elephant off of Sesame Street. Oh, let me show you guys what I'm drinking. I don't even know what the calorie count is when I drink that. The orange juice is like 90 calories, but I'm not pouring a whole serving of orange juice in there. So, but got the Casamigos on deck. I had Jack Daniels yesterday, but anyways, let me hurry up and let me finish drying my weed, and I'm gonna come back, y'all, because that's a lot of noise, it's a lot of loudness. We don't need all that. Yeah. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. I'm probably gonna get some pins and pin this way because the curls, they, you know, I told y'all I was curling it. It didn't dry, so I'm trying to hurry up and get there so that I at least have an hour and a half there. I probably won't even stay that long. Huh?
I said, you over there doing a vlog. I'm saying, talking to you. Did Jerry say, what's a vlog? I said, yeah, it's basically you recording her life. That's what the vlog is.
Yes, it's me documenting my 30s. So yeah, oh, y'all want to see the outfit? I don't know if y'all seen the outfit, but I'm gonna set y'all right here. So this is the outfit. I got put a red bag with it. I could have did a different bag, but I'm with some red shades. I left them downstairs. But I'm wearing my other. Let me show you the sandals I'm wearing. I'm wearing these sandals. They're like sparkly, so they kind of match with like the sparkly that I got on my thing. And this dress is so long, it covers my toes because my toes ain't done. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, the no makeup look, go check out my TikTok. I will have it shown below. Let's go have some fun, y'all. Let's turn up. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Probably because I need to. I'm gonna go through these. Hold on. Be fine. Of course it rains as soon as I leave the house. Like, as soon as I start driving, it starts pouring down. I thank God for the rain, but if this could happen tomorrow, where everybody's going to work. Well, I'm still going to see what I can see. Y'all, I'm slick pissed because this guy, I thought he said this was underground parking, but what he meant was this is underground parking, like the underground. Look at this. And I got on sandals. I ain't even got on no regular shoes. I ain't got no umbrella. So I have a blanket back here that I'm gonna grab out of my car. Or a bag that I can put over me so I don't get soaking wet. Hopefully all of this works out and I'm able to have a good time. But it's gonna be pouring down raining the entire time. The entire time. It's supposed to be pouring down raining. I knew I should have left earlier. Some told me to get ready, get dressed by 4 o'clock and be out here by 5:30 so that at least I wouldn't be soaking wet. But I done paid $40 to park, so we gonna roll with the punches now. That's what we doing, rolling with punches. It says the rain is supposed to stop in 33 minutes. That's what this is saying, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait it out. If it don't stop in 33 minutes, then I'm just gonna go on and get out the car. But I'm hoping it stops for a little bit. Oh, look, somebody calling me to help me out. Alright, y'all, I'm about to pause. Let me turn this music down. Ugh. Okay, so it stopped raining, clearly, right? And I done drove away, and cause I'm too nervous that it's about to like start pouring down again. It's all outside, and I prefer not to like be poured. Like I don't want to get rained on, to say the least. Like, I don't want to get freaking rained on. So I'm driving to a bar that I've gone to a few times. I like. I have never vlogged there, so it'll be nice to vlog there. They got good music, they have hookah, and I'm about to just go there and eat some catfish nuggets. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there, and then tomorrow we're gonna do pickleball, and that'll probably end the vlog for, you know, the week. We're here. So I'm fit to, I guess I'm gonna try to get some TikToks and stuff of it. I'm really not about to do a whole lot here. I'm about to just smoke hookah and have a drink or two and eat, and then that's really it. And I'm gonna go home and chill. I really don't even have to do that. I could have just went home, but I'm looking at it like, I dressed up, I want somebody to see me. That's toxic, ain't it? Anyway, let's go inside, y'all. Yeah, this is the name of the place. It's off Ponce City Market, and they have really good catfish nuggets in here, and decent like drinks and stuff. Oh dang it, my foot just got wet. Hello. How you doing? Looking nice. Thank you, huh? I said you looking nice. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. Hello. Oh, they got I say Azul Reposado. My favorite, one of my favorites. I should have brought my little light. There go. You can't even see me, y'all. I will. Just follow me on TikTok. You'll see it on there. Alright, you guys. So, I gotta wash my face, but I'm fit to watch Sex and the City. I'm about to make me my water. This is how I drink my water. I don't like water by itself, so I usually add like juice or fruit to it or something. I'll squeeze some lemon or squeeze some strawberries and throw them in there, just so I have some juice. But this is like a lemonade thing. I forget her name, but she's in Georgia, so if you guys want some of her stuff, you can get it. But I pour some of this in my water, at least recently since I got this, and that way it tastes better to me. I was hoping that my homie was gonna come and help me remove this trash, but unfortunately he wasn't able to do that this weekend. It's all good. I can't expect people to do, you know, stuff like that. They got families, they got lives. I can't expect people to stop everything they're doing for me. I wish somebody would tell me that this brow looks so damn thick, but anyway, it'll get better. It's my first time doing it. By the way, if you haven't already, check out the TikTok, y'all. I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna make me my water. I'm gonna watch the Sex and the City because I fell asleep on it yesterday, and I'm finna go to bed. Good night, you guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow at pickleball. I Claire, every time I get on this camera, y'all probably think I walk around in a bonnet, but I don't, because every time I get on here, I'm in a bonnet. Or just about every time. But I didn't do pickleball yesterday. It was too far. Let me go somewhere where I have lighting. Y'all can see me. I don't know if y'all can really see me or if y'all can't, but hopefully you can hear me. If you can't see me that well, you can hear me. Y'all, yesterday, freaking day, I did not have the energy to drive a whole hour to Roswell to do pickleball. So I wasn't able to make that event. Like I told her, I'll probably do Sundays. I'll do Sundays hiking. I'll do that. I'll do some of the other events they got going on. But I'm not going to be able to make that pickleball. That's too far. Like after work, it's like a whole hour and 20 minutes or hour and 5 minutes the shortest. And it's nothing but yellow and red traffic all throughout it. And I don't have no AC. It's Georgia. It's 90 degrees on a regular. So I just didn't go to that. But tonight is supposed to be adult game night and karaoke. And I kind of want to go to see what that's like and see what that's about. Somebody talking about me because my ear is itching, y'all. I want to go to see what that's like, see what they're talking about with that. I don't know if y'all can see this over here, but if you can't, ignore it. And if not, I will be sitting my black behind in the house, going to bed. Because you already know that once you get over 30, you really do not feel like being outside, doing everything, especially when you got to work in the morning. So depending on how I feel in the next hour or so, if I feel like getting up and putting on some clothes and going for like an hour or two, because I don't go to bed till like 12, 1 o'clock anyway. So I might ask my manager like, hey, can I come in at 8 tomorrow, blase, or whatever. But I don't know, I just might not go. I hate they have events on the weekdays, and it's like they be having some of the most fun events on the weekdays. And on the weekend, it's like all everybody want to do is just get drunk and party. And it's like, what happens to people just wanting to have a good time? Like, why you can't do adult game night, karaoke night on a Friday or Saturday? Or like early Sunday brunch, do it. Like, why is it always on a weekday y'all want to do karaoke? Y'all want to do it during the week, but on the weekends, why don't y'all do this type of stuff? It's so aggravating. Oh, we'll see, y'all. Y'all, I'm still debating. It's an hour later. It's 7:37. I slick just want to lay in the bed. I really do. But I don't know why something is telling me to go. Something is telling me that even if I go by myself, to go and have fun and enjoy myself. Excuse me. Who was that? Anyway. So someone's telling me to go and enjoy myself and have fun and not worry, not stress about nothing. I've been pretty stressed lately, and I just watched 2 videos back to back, and that's why I watch so much that's why I watch so many positive things on TikTok. And that's why a lot of people I follow on my new Instagram page and my TikTok are just all positive, because like when you sit up and you put negativity or you put in ratchetry, people are like, oh, every night you want to be ratchet. I said, yeah, but if you watching that all the time, it puts you in a certain place in your life mentally. When you talk about it all the time, oh, they did me so dirty, oh, baby, da da da, and you always talking about that, it really starts to take over you, and I just don't have time for it. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I ain't about to do a whole lot of makeup. I'm gonna do the little makeup look that I already did for TikTok. I'm gonna do it here. If you haven't watched the TikTok video, go watch it. And I don't know, I might record, I might not. I might just show y'all my finished look, because recording is hectic. Shoot, picking this camera up and putting it in certain angles and getting the lighting, and then y'all be complaining when it don't look a certain way or how y'all feel like it should look. It just be too dang on much for me. Too much sometimes. And then sometimes you only get like 3 views on a video. It's like, should I even keep doing this? Should I just give up? I'm kidding, but for real though, like, I'm fit to get dressed and I'm about to do my hair. You know I'm going somewhere when I look like this. Okay, I gotta put this, I get this wig down on this side. I might as well put some hairpins, y'all. I don't feel like doing that glue thing. Like, who wants to glue stuff to their head anymore? That's why we ain't got no edges now. But anyway, let me hit this light so it don't be so dark in here. Alright, y'all. So this is what my hair and my makeup looking like. Again, if you want to know how I get this little easy deezy weezy look, I ain't got my lip because I left my purse in the car. The purse I'm gonna wear. Let me show y'all the shirts and stuff. The shirt I'm wearing, so you can kind of get a vision a little bit of what I'm gonna put on. I got this shirt. It got like black and red in it, and then I'm gonna wear this like little cutesy Victoria's Secret black bra. So I'm gonna have it kind of like halfway button. Then I got me some black biker shorts. I hope I didn't get no makeup on that shirt just then. And I'm gonna wear my red bag that's in the car. I'm gonna have to go down there and get it just so I can. My red bag with my ones, because they got black, red, and white in them. And so it'll all come together. Of course, I'm gonna wear my gold chain to like cinch in my waist. I'm wearing my gold. Let me put this light on here real quick. Okay, yes, that's a lot better. So now when I walk in the rooms, y'all kind of get in the real feel of the light, but not really. So let me show y'all again. I'm gonna wear my ones with them because they red, white, and black, and it matches with everything. So then I'm gonna wear my gold chain, my gold body chain to cinch everything in. I'm gonna wear some gold bangles, and then I'm gonna wear a gold necklace. I might do bangs or I might just do regular earrings. I really don't be wanting to wear no heavy bangs. And in that same red bag, I'm gonna do my best to like get all of it. Let me sit y'all right here. I'm gonna do my best to get like my whole outfit, like everything that I'm gonna have on. Hopefully this lash ain't lifting because it was lifting earlier. But to get everything that I have on, like get y'all a whole like look. But I need to leave in about 15 minutes, so hopefully these shorts will dry in time. Cause I had to wash them because they really my workout shorts, and I worked out in them this week already, so they dirty. Well, they was dirty. I washed them, as you hear the dryer in the background. I did like the quick wash. I got like an option to quick wash, so I did the quick wash. I just put a single piece in there, and being me, I probably should just threw them in the sink with some Dawn dish soap, washed them out real good, rained them jokers out, and threw them in the dryer because that would have been faster. But anyways, let me get my life together. Let me get some of my clothes on, and then I probably need to go down here and get this. Yeah, I'll be. All right, so not Facebook, TikTok already got the finished look. I'm gonna. Ooh, shit. I'm gonna give y'all the finished look. So give me 1 second. Let me get my life together and cut off these lights because who got time to be paying a highlight bill? Y'all ain't gonna get it like they got it because I ain't got the stand for it. I could put it in that stand, huh? I ain't about to though. Don't call me lazy. Okay. Maybe I should put y'all in this corner. Put y'all farther away. Damn, okay. I gotta set y'all over here. Just to get y'all a look. Y'all see my little tripod for TikTok. That's all my stuff that I was utilizing. But this is the look, y'all. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully you can hear me. I get like a little 90s retro throwback type thing. I got my ones on, biker shorts. I got this little gold chain that I'll be wearing a lot. I need to get a new one, a different kind, different style. I have on, you know, this little shirt. I got on this black bustier bra thing. Gold accessory jewelries. The red bag is like a little pop of color. And then here are the smells that I'm wearing for the night. This is Coach something. I don't know the name of it, but it's Coach something. And I got this from Marshalls. And if you shake it up, it got these little gold flakes, as you see. So it be like, you be glistening like a little snowball when you walk through and stuff. And it was only like 15 bucks for this. So I got all that. And I really like my outfit. I think I look really cute. I need to go ahead and hurry up and go there so I can get there, get back. Make sure you're 21 and up when you zipping your cup, okay? I will catch y'all on the way there or when I get there. Y'all like my lip? Oh. Check out my TikTok. Yes, I've been drinking water too. Check out my TikTok for how I got this look. I tagged the girl in the video that said how to do this, and it's crazy because I've always done a look like this, but I ain't never had like the secret, but now I got the secret, you know what I'm saying? The main secret is make sure your skin is pretty much clear. Like I got some blemishes, but like don't have like rock hard, you know what I'm saying, acne, and then try to do a no makeup look because you still gonna look like you got makeup on. No, wait, because your acne gonna still show. So get your skin clear, go to the dermatologist and get the skin problem, you know what I'm saying, deep under fixed. I wish I had pictures when I was in middle school, like I was like early development type stuff, and y'all, I had horrible acne. I never had like cystic acne, but it was just like the nasty whiteheads and blackheads. And it was horrible in middle school to go through that. Like, I thank God I got out of it, but ooh, Jesus. So always take care of your skin and do your skincare and get your skin together first. Y'all, I love the way I look. I look like such a beautiful black woman. And I can't wait to wash my hair and like put my hair in a puff and slick my edges and get my little curlies on the side. Like, I'm gonna look like even more beautiful. But y'all, it's 10:06 p.m. So let me get going, and I will meet y'all there. See y'all in a little bit. It's all crazy. Love this song. Alright, y'all, we here. I gotta walk the rest of the way. I gotta pay for parking, but I don't mind paying for it as long as I got a good parking spot. Ain't nobody about to take my car, because I'm only gonna be here till like 12:30, and then that's like 2 hours, hour and a half. So yeah, let's get it. Yeah, it's the ghetto part of me having to walk. I could have just parked in the parking lot and paid for parking, and I had to walk so damn far. But I think I'm where I'm going. Is this Spinning Feathers? If I see a certain individual in here, I'm gonna be pissed off. I think that's who this is gonna be though. We about to see. I'm kinda too old for this shit. Hey, chat. Look, I had to fuck with her. She dope as fuck. I gotta come here and fuck with her. And when y'all come in here, this y'all be tipping people. Don't be doing no bullshit and leaving them. Leave them $1, $5, 20, 10, 20. You know what I'm saying?
I do this for my grandchildren because my son was murdered. And he had custody of my grandchildren. So, I don't know where he learned is at. So, I take
They gotta do better by you then. They gotta do a whole lot better. You don't look, I thought you was in your 50s, early 50s.
I'm 65, even the 20 boys.
You look good. You here every weekend?
I'm Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
I'm gonna come back and fuck with you. I'm gonna be your regular, be like, hey girl, where my partner at? Yes ma'am, thank you, look. See what happens when you be doing it right. I love it, because I love candy. This is my cheat day. I'm trying to lose some weight.
You gonna lose it, you know why?
What? Yeah, it's true. Okay. I will take this thing. Okay. You ain't gotta tell me to. I will take it, look. I'll put it right here. I ain't gonna be here long anyway because I gotta work at 7 o'clock. This is the part that's aggravating. Walking back when you downtown. Cause motherfuckers be acting crazy. All in my business. All in my business. Cause you got these crazy ass motherfuckers. They be trying to act crazy. Cause they on that stuff. And I ain't got time. Cause I will stab a motherfucker or I will shoot your ass. So that's why I be doing what I'm doing. Slick. But I gotta work in the morning. Couldn't drink too much. Oh, his shit jacked up, ain't it? Look how high his truck jacked up. It's tall, about as tall as me. These motherfuckers be thinking you a joke. Like, bitch, I can see you. And I'm gonna look behind me as I'm walking. But by the grace and the power, I get home. I will hit y'all when I get to the house and tell y'all how my night went. Y'all will not believe what I did as a human being on this earth. Y'all won't believe it. But anyway, catch y'all in a minute. Bye. Y'all, I made it home. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I'll show y'all my phone. 12:59. I will catch y'all in the morning. Or, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm tired. I'm out of breath because I just went up my. It's really 6 flights of stairs. So that's 2 flights for every floor. I stay on the 3rd floor. It is 1 a.m. I had to be working 6 hours, so I have to get up in 5 hours to get ready for work. I'm tired. And I will give my spiel. I'm gonna give my spiel now if I end this vlog. The second club just wasn't my thing. Like, it was just too young for me. Like, and not that I'm like old, because people's like, oh, I thought you was like 28, 25. No, I'm 31, and I don't know. Everybody think when you get in your 30s, you just look crusty and old. You don't. But your mentality is older. So you may act a lot older than people around you. I just couldn't do it. The twerking, the music, just the energy of people in there just wasn't my thing. Y'all saw me and Miss Pam. I'll probably go back for Miss Pam and tip her. But that's about it. Cause then the girl at the thing, like, I get there, it's like 12:05. The thing ended at 12. And I was about to leave. I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go home. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12:05. Y'all not trying to let me in for free. We may pay $20. I'm cool. So as I was leaving, the bodyguard was like, well, dang, what you about to do? I just checked your stuff. I said, oh, I'm about to just go home. Like, they say I can't, you know, I got to pay to get in. I'm not going to pay. You know, like, I spent all my money at the other bar thinking that, oh, I didn't even tell y'all that. Anyway. So I'm on the other bar. And so as I'm walking away to go to my car, he's like, ma'am. He's like, lady, da, da, da. So I come back. Y'all, I could have just went home. Like, no shade from what I saw in there. I could have just went home. It is what it is. Alright, so secondly, they're supposed to have karaoke and game night. None of that. It was just a regular ass club type shit. And I'm pissed. I hate that. I hate when they say, oh, it's gonna be this, and then you get there and it's something completely different. I hate that. Like, in Atlanta, they do that a lot. Like, they'll tell you it's a business function, and you get there and you're like, you're there to do business, and then people come in regular ass clothes or club clothes, and they shaking ass and they playing club music, and you're like, all right. So I have my business cards, I have my business casual on, looking like a lame. It is what it is, though. I'm not really tipsy because I only had 2 drinks. So I had a drink at one bar and I had a drink at the other bar. And I had a hookah, I had food, and that was it. Like, I was like, I'm cool on all this. On all of it. The girl told me something, you want Jack and Ginger Ale? Girl, that was not no Jack and Ginger Ale. That was just straight up, you put a splash of Jack in there and then you put a bunch of ginger ale. I'm not stupid. I should have recorded you making my drink, but I won't be going back. It's not a place that I would say is for people who are like mature 30s. I'm 31, and even I felt like, yeah, this ain't my scene. The bottle girl thing, all that, they're looking at you sideways. I don't got time. So I will catch y'all in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much. Love y'all. I'm out.